This is a debut to B, which is my dog. All she does all day is chew on her bone and be lazy. She don't do anything but that and sleep. Nothing. I'm bored. Just got back from the bowling festival. And I'm tired because I've been skating all day. If you watch this video, you should check out Kyle Monkey. He's the funniest guy on YouTube. Literally. B. 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 Dog don't care what I do to her. I don't do anything to her. She don't do nothing. She's too lazy to do anything. Well, there's nothing else to show in this video, so bye.